Hi guys, I'm Pooja Dhingra and today I'm going to be making one of the recipes that I learned when I was 18 years old. I was visiting one of my best friends in Brazil and I was obsessed with these brigadeiros. So it's super simple, it's only 3 ingredients and it's my favorite recipe that has come out from all my travels. So I hope you like it and let's get baking. For the ingredients, you'll need 200 grams of condensed milk, 15 grams of butter and 10 grams of cocoa powder. We add all our ingredients in a saucepan. Then we just keep stirring it. You have to make sure that this is on medium heat and we keep stirring it till it thickens. It should become shiny. Once it's thickened and once you have this, you take it off the pan, you transfer it in another bowl, let it cool down. Once it's cool, I like to put a little bit of oil on my palms and then roll these into balls. Ideally, I'd like to, put this in, coat this in some chocolate sprinkles, but lack of ingredients. I don't have any sprinkles at home, so I'm just gonna eat them like this.